It's May 18th, 2015. We are going to start a 603 engine from a 1987 300 SDL. We have hooked up a radiator, which is full of water. We're going to run it until it's up to normal operating temperature. Here we're showing that the engine is totally cold. We're going to be doing a series of tests, but this is the first one, which is a cold start test. We are energizing glow plugs. We're doing a series of tests on a 603 engine from a 1987 300 SDL. This is a head gasket combustion test leak to ensure that it does not have a blown head gasket. The engine is up to normal operating temperature and we have a radiator hooked up to it, so we're going to go ahead and test for that. So, can you squeeze it about 10 times? According to the instructions, if there was any combustion leaks, the fluid would turn from blue to a green color for diesel. As you can see, the color did not change, and we have no other typical signs of blown head gasket, so we can say with certainty that the head in this engine is good. Doing the compression test on the 603 engine from an 87 300 SDL, testing cylinder number 1. As you can see, we're at about 485 psi. Compression test cylinder number 2 on the 603 engine. So we are just under 500 psi. Compression test cylinder number 3 on this 603 turbo diesel engine. So we went up to about 480 psi. 603 compression test, doing cylinder number 4. And we went almost to 500, maybe 495 psi. 603 compression test, cylinder number 5. psi. 603 compression test, cylinder number 6. 500
485.